और अपने वतन वापस लौटकर अपने देश को इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी के क्षेत्र में नई मंजिल दिखा रहे हैं। महाराष्ट्र के छोटे से गांव में जन्मे आनंद का झुकाव सबसे आगे रहने का था और इसीलिए वे पढ़ने लिखने में और एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज में हमेशा आगे रहते थे।
So I was born in Akola in Maharashtra but grew up predominantly in Bhopal. My father worked at Bharat Heavy Electricals and he was an engineer there, and he worked in the factory in Bhopal, and we all lived in the BHEL township. I did all my schooling in Campion School Bhopal from 4th to 11th. While in school I was a fairly serious student. I would do my homeworks and study every day. While in school I did win the best outgoing student award while I was in school, and I also won a quiz competition for the city in the city.
आनंद चाहते थे कि वे इंजीनियरिंग करें और इसीलिए उन्होंने IIT के लिए तैयारियां शुरू की और एरोनॉटिकल इंजीनियरिंग के लिए दाखिला लिया।
So when growing up in Bhopal, we had to make a decision between either taking biology or mathematics in 9th standard, and it was very clear that I did not want to do medicine, and I was very inclined towards engineering. IIT was a very attractive option at that time because if I could get in, I could get into the 5-year course. When I qualified into IIT, I got aeronautical engineering in IIT Kharagpur, and I joined Aero in 79. After 2 years, I was able to change to computer science, and that's a new department that they had started in IIT, and I moved to computer science and was there from 3rd to 5th year. So the last 3 years was in computer science, which is where I graduated in 1984. During my time at IIT, I was actually in Patel Hall, and I was a fairly active in the hall activities and various other inter-hostel competitions. I used to swim for IIT, and I was in the IIT swimming team for the 5 years that I was in Kharagpur. I also played lots of water polo when I was in Kharagpur. One of the things that I have always been is being quite persistent all through, meaning if I decided something, I would definitely go after it, and that was something that I was quite good at. So just sort of being at it was something I always believed in.
IIT के दौरान ही आनंद ने कई फॉरेन यूनिवर्सिटीज के लिए अप्लाई करना शुरू कर दिया था और आगे की पढ़ाई के लिए ब्लूमिंगटन गए। विदेश में उन्हें काफी अलग माहौल मिला और वहाँ के एजुकेशन सिस्टम से वे बहुत प्रभावित हुए।
While in Kharagpur, pretty much all our classmates had applied for higher education to the US universities, and I got an admission and scholarship at Indiana University in Bloomington, and I was very excited about going there. It seemed like it was a good opportunity to see the world, learn some more about computers.